Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to log out of Instagram. To log out of Instagram, firstly open your Instagram application. After that, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on three-lined icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on setting and privacy. After that, scroll all the way down. You can see Logout Workshop 1999. Tap on it. Tap on Logout. This is how you will be able to log out from Instagram account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.